Hi everybody and welcome to the Leading Edge Detailing YouTube channel. A card came into the shop today and it presented a perfect opportunity to, I guess, show a real life example of what happens when you're detailing and a customer books something and they need something else, but you sort of have to improvise. So the customer booked a mini detail, which is just a very basic maintenance detail, and they selected leather conditioning. However, the customer did not select a package that includes the leather cleaning before the conditioning, and this presented a great opportunity to demonstrate this amazing product, IGL Leather. Now you can tell by the look of this bottle how badly we have thrashed it and used it, and we keep topping it up with our 5 litres, but a brand new bottle is nice and clean and tidy like this. Now, because the customer didn't select a package that has an intensive clean of the leather, and obviously we don't want to just condition it without cleaning it, IGL Leather Conditioner has a cleaner in it, and we're going to test that. So this is the first time for me as a detailer in 6 years and many years of using IGL to test this product in this way, and we're going to share it with you. So the car has cream colored leather, and especially the seats, they are definitely in need of a very good clean. But again, the customer's not paying us to do this, and we don't have the time to do it for them. So we're going to do our best with both conditioning and cleaning 2 in 1. So let's give it a try. What I'm going to do is do up to here on the armrest, and then I'm going to move on and do the seats. So we're using just regular microfiber cloths, a little bit of product, and just work it in there. And I can immediately, I don't know if the camera shows it, but I can immediately see that IGL Leather is actually lifting a lot of dirt, which is fantastic because it means we're giving the customer something better than what they have booked for, and we're saving some time. So that's the armrest. Ooh, got a catch. That's the armrest here. Now let's move over to the seat, and it's pretty dirty, but I'll try to do, I guess, just half of it for now. Now what I like to do as a bit of a hint to the business owners out there is, rather than just go on there and put the product as it is, I'm just going to rub it into the microfiber so we don't get the product inside the little holes, the perforations. So hopefully, again, the camera's showing this, but I can definitely see a big improvement in how the leather's coming out. I guess the perforations make it a little bit harder to see a clear 50-50, but we'll try to see that bolster on the other side, and it does look pretty worn out, so I'm hoping it's not painted, but let's see. Yeah, it's definitely not painted, but it's worn out, but you can definitely see the dirt coming off. So fantastic product that saves time and money for both the customer and the user, and it's obviously conditioning the paint, and it's going to be making it more supple so it's less prone to cracking. The customer would have probably benefited if they had used this product a bit more often rather than letting the car get to this stage, but better late than never. So again, IGL Leather coating. I'm going to walk around and see if we can get an even dirtier side. So let's just walk around the car and see if we can get a dirtier or a better 50-50. All right, let's see if we can do this. This is really, obviously the driver's side will always be dirtier. So let's have a look. Again, wipe it in there so you don't fill up the perforations. I think we need a bit more product. So it's not bad that you're getting to clean, definitely cleaning it up and condition at once. That to me is a definite 50-50, where you can see the conditioner has done its job. And look at the dirt that it's lifted off just from that area. So we'll stop the video here and we'll go back to doing this car and maybe do an after shot if we have time. Otherwise, I think that the product did what it's supposed to do very well. Thank you for tuning in.